Hi, kitty cats. I'm really hot right now. I had the heater on in here, and somebody had turned it all the way up. So when I got up this morning, this room was like a sauna, and it still kind of is, even though I turned it off. But I still tried on clothes today. So I don't know how many of you heard about this. I think I mentioned it in my Instagram stories. I don't think I mentioned it in any of my other videos, but so Dia & Co. charged me, and I thought I canceled it completely. I haven't gotten one in a really long time, so, and I put off canceling it for a little while, and then I just did it. But apparently I did not. I don't know. Sometimes I wonder if somebody did it on purpose. But, so I called them and talked to somebody there, which was nice. That's one thing, is they have really nice customer service. But they were very like, oh, please don't give up on us yet. And she offered me a free box with a new stylist. And she was like, just let me ask you a bunch of questions that aren't on the regular questionnaire thing. And she was like, and then we can, you know, discuss. And so I was like, okay. And answered a bunch of questions, explained to her a little bit more about my style. And she said, I know the perfect person for you. We're gonna, you know, have you styled, and the box is free this month. Okay. Now, since the box is free, one thing I forgot to ask was, if I do decide to buy something, I suspect I don't get that $20 off that you usually get because you paid for the box, and they just like give that back to you, and then you just pay the excess. And it didn't say anything on the card about that. So I don't even know if that's in the rules anymore, to be honest. But it used to be. I mean, that's how long. It's been like a year since I had a Dia & Co. box. I am pleasantly surprised. It actually is really, really good box, and she really found me a stylist that understands me better, because one of the dresses is so much like a dress I already have that it was funny. So anyways, the first thing, because you're gonna see all of these, I tried them on. The first thing is the leggings, the denim leggings with the top that had like, it looks like it's leopard print, but it's not. It's really kind of odd, and I didn't like it. So that's the only thing I really didn't like, was that top. I don't know, just the way it was designed, the little, like, I can't. I don't know why, I just really don't like it. I find it really ugly. I mean, hey, if you like it and that's your style, I would never tell you you look ugly, because you rock what you like. But for me, that top is so not me. The leggings are fine. They were denim leggings. I already have a pair of denim leggings, so it's nothing that I need. And the prices, that's one of the things about these. Let me see if I can find a card with the prices on it. Sorry, I sniffled. I'm still getting over this cold. Yeah, it's the Dinah short sleeve woven front top. It's black and tan. It is $55. That's a bit pricey for me for a top. It just amazes me how much clothes cost anyways. I'm like horrified at the price of clothes these days. It's just, I'm like, how does anybody afford any clothes? That's all I ever think. I'm like, how do people like buy clothes? Like, especially in this day and age, I just, you know, most people I know at least don't have a lot of money, and certainly not a lot to spend on clothes, so I don't know. Anyways, so the Milan denim leggings, which are, the company is Liss for Dia, so I guess it's a company that works for them. I don't know. Anyways, I don't know if that's true. That's just his list for Dia, which makes me think it is. They're dark wash and $45. What's really interesting though was, and they seem to fit fine. So I was gonna say something and then I'm gonna wait on that. So anyways, that's all. Then there was the Orlando faux wrap dress, which was okay. I have a dress kind of like that already with black and white polka dots, and it's a faux wrap, so it's kind of like redundant for me. But it definitely was something if I didn't have that dress already, I would totally want this dress. Like, that's my style. So yeah, and that's a 4X, and it's $49, which is not bad for a dress at all. I think $49 is pretty good for a dress. I'm just used to buying things on sale. I sniffed again. I'm so sorry. I've got this cold. It's icky. I know. I'm sorry. So the next things were the McDougal Destructed Boyfriend Jean, which was from Morgan & Walker. It's a medium wash, size 28. They're $69, which is no way. No way am I paying $70 for a pair of jeans. Ever. That's not happening. I know that's probably the norm these days, but not for me. So that was, yeah. I mean, if you're a plus size woman on a budget, that's too much. I suppose, you know, since if you were getting your $20 back or whatever, it would seem like not as bad. But sorry, I sniffed again. But no, that's not. And they don't fit me. If you'll see that they're too big. And that may be fault of my own, because I've had some weight loss, which I don't want to talk about. Please do not compliment me on my weight loss, because it's because I'm ill that I've lost weight, not because I was dieting. It's just because of the issues that I've been having with my gallbladder and stuff has caused me to lose weight. Not that I'm unhappy, but I'm not like happy either. It's just there. It's just something. And that's the way I want to leave it. So please don't tell me how great I look since I've lost weight, because it'll make me so angry. I think it's just the rudest thing to do. Because you don't know. My daughter. It's don't ever give somebody a compliment unless they fish for it when it comes to weight. Unless they're saying, hey, I lost weight, how do I look? Don't say anything, because there's a good chance that they could be ill. They could have had a miscarriage. There's so many things that could have happened where they're actually not that happy about it. Not everybody wants to lose tons of weight. So it's rude. Also, especially when people are like, oh, you look good. I always looked good. That's how I feel about it. It's like, don't tell me I look good now. I always look good. I look good before, and I look good whenever. I will always look good. So,
Preach.
Yeah, exactly. My daughter knows. Anyways, so the jeans are actually too big, which means I may have to make some changes in my sizes. A lot of the stuff I went home was dresses, so you wouldn't notice. I'm gonna actually probably go try on some older jeans that I still have to see if I fit in them. So yeah, I may have gone down to a size 26, I think, but that's, you know, whatever. So, and then there's this top, which I'm keeping. I'm keeping the top. I really freaking like it. I love the side detail like this. I love the color they chose. It's one of my favorite colors. I love red, and I love cranberry, you know, colored or maroon colored red. I love it.
You love black too, from what I remember.
And they don't say what color it is, do they? Yes, it's burgundy. It's a Brie 3/4 cutout sleeve tee from Mirror Lane, and it's $35. I think that's not bad. It's a 4X, which if things keep going the way I am, it might be too big for me soon, but I think it fits actually really well, and I like it. So I love details like this. I love cutout details. Some people think it's weird. I love it. I love showing just a little bit of skin. So, and the cut here is not like I don't like stuff that's too close to my neck. It really makes me feel like I'm choking. Turtlenecks are not something I can do. This is a nice cut so that it doesn't bother me. What is that? Oh, okay. I've got some of my psoriasis coming in. So that is everything. If you add all of it up together, the whole total is $253. Sorry about that. Oh, you do get 25% off still, if you buy everything. So, which I'm not buying everything, I'm just buying the shirt. So the total, if you buy everything, is $189.75. Which, considering 2 pairs of, you know, pants, pair of jeans, pair of leggings, and 2 tops and a dress, that's a pretty good deal. But even if I wanted to, I still wouldn't want that other top. It's really ugly. I don't like it. Like I said, if you like it and you feel it looks good on you, you rock it, and you do not look ugly. But when somebody doesn't like something, it don't feel comfortable in it, they don't rock it and it ends up looking bad. That's just my opinion. If you're not confident in what you're wearing, it doesn't work. So that's it. That's the whole D & Co box. I gotta send it back out in the mail. And I guess I might do it again, because they did find me a stylist I like. It's only 20 bucks. And I think, you know, if I keep getting things like this, it might totally be worth it. I do wonder about the $20 off thing though. If you still get that back on the regular. Oh, and my stylist was Tina Rose T. Well, Tina Rose T, thank you very much. You understand me. Because I kind of like edgy. I like things to be a little edgy. I don't mind a little bit of print, but it's got to be like a print that I like. Like, I don't want big flowery prints. That's not me, although on occasion it is. I do have one dress recently that I really like that came from Gwynnie B. That's very flowery. But the way it's done, I like it. It's hard to explain. I just don't like stuff that looks like your sofa or curtains. The woman that I talked to on the phone said matronly. That I don't like matronly clothes. Yeah, I like things that I feel fresh in. But I like dark colors. I don't like pastels really. I prefer darker colors. Oh, I gotta go for a minute. Okay, I had to take that phone call. It was about surgeons and stuff. I still don't have one, but they're trying. They're trying to get somebody. There is a new surgeon apparently in the area, so it's very possible that I could end up with him. And let's hope that he's nice, because I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, but with surgeons, they're either like total jerks or they're super nice. There is no in between with surgeons. Like, I've talked to so many surgeons that have just been like jerks, and then other ones that are like just really nice and sweet. And I prefer to have somebody that I feel comfortable with talking to working on me. Like, if you can't talk to me in a kind way to begin with, I probably don't want you inside of me. That sounded wrong. I just realized that. But you know what I mean. I'm so dirty-minded. Anyways, thanks for watching me put on clothes and all that. And so here you go. You can see the clothes and see what you think, and you know, remember to always be kind and to share this video and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Okay? Okay. Mwah. Bye-bye, kitty cats. I'm recording. Hold on a second.